Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. For safety reasons, you're going to remove the power cord. And you're going to want to turn off the gas line. Today's project is we're going to replace a baffle on a Maytag Atlantis gas dryer. Tools needed is a Phillips head screwdriver, a socket set with a 5/8 socket, or a 5/8 nut driver. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the door, and that's 2 Phillips screws to remove. That's 1 and 2. Now remove the door and remove 2 Phillips screws on the other side. 1 and 2. 2 plastic washers are missing from here. Now kind of twist the top of that panel off and remove it. Remove the 2 5/8 screws that hold the lid down, one on the left and one on the right. Tools to remove the bracket that holds the lid down. There's one. Slide it out of the slot. It's pointed outward. That's the way it should look when you put it back in. And there's the 5/8 screw there. Take that screw off. Unslide that clip out. And now the lid is free. Okay, lift the lid up. Okay, roll the drum until you see the 2 screws. There's 2 screws per baffle, 3 baffles. Take your 5/8 nut driver, unscrew the rear screw, and then go to the front and unscrew the front screw, which are 5/8. And your hand should be holding on to the baffle, and there you have your baffle. Really simple. There go your 2 baffles. Compare them to make sure they're the same. Now let's install it. Stick the baffle into the drum. Align the holes up. You want to probably hand tighten first to get them started, and then you use your nut driver to secure it in nice and tight. Secure and close your lid. Screw. And the right side and this bracket, have it pointed outwards. Put it in, line it up, hand tighten that 5/8 screw, and use your driver nut to drive it in and secure it tightly. Now we're going to put the front panel on, slide it. Adjust the arms on the panel, get them in those little slots or little wires on both ends that it slided into. Kind of tap it with your hand. Okay, we're going to screw that left side panel on, secure it to the body of the dryer. Phillips head. And we're going to put the other screw, the lower part, and screw that on in there. Secure that left side of that panel. And then we're going to install the door right there. And with the hinges, we're gonna slide those hinges right in the slots right there. Just kind of lean it up, get a little angle on it, and shove the hinges right into the slots. And it'll line up, the screws will line up so you can be able to mount it. Okay, hinges in here. Now you're mounting the hinge to the body of the dryer. And the lower one. Okay, now you got the door attached and you're in good shape now. Now you want to plug it in and turn your gas back on. We'll have many more videos on how to repair appliances. Remember to like, share, and comment on YouTube as well as Facebook. Follow and comment. That's Appliance Flipper. Appliance Flipper Facebook and Appliance Flipper to YouTube. Have a good one.